Orders up! I'm gonna make the original Dirty Bird po' boy, and our Dirty Bird chicken sandwich. So about 5 years ago, I decided I need to start my own business. I want to be my own boss. I've always loved cooking, and food trucks were just popping on the scene. And I said, you know, it could be a good gig to get into, and it turned out good. You know, so we've been growing in the last 4 or 5 years, and it was time to expand to a restaurant. During the day, I'm a full-time Niagara Falls police officer, and I moonlight as a food truck owner. I actually was starting the business before I started my job as a police officer, and I had to put it on hold for about 6 months to do the academy. Once I got out of the academy, I got right back on it, and we started off with the first truck, and we were, did a couple local gigs here in the Falls, and then we ventured right out to Buffalo in Erie County, where they take up 90% of our time now.
This is number one of 2 trucks. This truck goes out daily to different food locations throughout Western New York and serves lunches. We can serve on this truck usually in between 50 to 75 people during a lunch, but we've done upwards of 100, 150. On a trailer, we do upwards of 1,000 sometimes at the Taste of Buffalo.
It's nice to see, people catching on to it. We got loyal followers, they love us, and I think that's the best part about it, is they actually love the product that we create. On social media, within the last couple years, we jumped up to like almost 13,000 followers, so it grew pretty quick. Yeah. The original Dirty Bird is, we use sliced chicken breast, hand batter it, and then deep fry it, and then when it comes out, we top it with our maple syrup. It's our own blend, and then put it in between the waffle. It's the most popular one on the menu. My favorite part about doing this job as owning a food truck and restaurant now is, the look on people's faces the first time that they try it, and because a lot of people are kind of scared to try chicken and waffles together, but once they try it, they light up and they love it.